So you got your new OnePlus 11 and you're excited, as you should be, because it's absolutely phenomenal for $699. You're getting that $100 rebate back for $599. If you had a trade, you paid even less. But Oxygen OS does have a few quirks and settings right off the bat that you're going to want to change. These are just the top 5, not earth-shattering in any way, but just 5 things that I did right off the top to streamline and enhance your experience. So the first one is the face unlock on your OnePlus 11 is great. If you know from back in the day, OnePlus face unlock is snappy, but you want to take full advantage of how snappy it actually is by making sure that you have it set to go to the home screen as soon as you face unlock your device. Now, there's reasons why you would want to do that. If you're somebody who only has the notification icon there on your always on display where you have the notification hidden, and then if you unlock your device with your face, you see the full notification, then you might want to keep it on and do some tweaks there. But if you're the rest of us, you want to get in as fast as possible. I'm going to hide my pattern here in a moment. Go ahead and do that. You're going to go into face unlock. It's a setting, and you'll see it right here. Enter home screen after unlocking. That is off by default. Save yourself that. Nobody has that extra second for that swipe up. Save yourself some time. Enjoy how snappy this phone actually is and get into your home screen as fast as possible. Now this one, I'm going to turn it back on. I'm going to keep it hidden for a moment, but I'm going to turn it back on here. This one is one that I didn't quite understand. It's an annoying quirk of Oxygen OS 13. If you pull down from the middle of the device, you're going to get that, which is your shelf, which you have your OnePlus account, your Spotify, some other stuff. If you use this, it's kind of a widget home base. If you use that, fine. No problem. Me, I don't like the uncertainty of getting the notification shade or not. To get the notification shade, you have to swipe down for the very top, basically off the screen, to get your notifications, your toggles, and all the rest of it. And then if you do it from anywhere else, you get the shelf. If that's something you want to navigate, that's fine. But if you want a more traditional Android experience, go into settings, go into shelf, you search for shelf, you'll get it, and you'll see swipe down on home screen. That's where you're going to change that. Swipe down on home screen, you got 3 options: the shelf, global search, or notification drawer. I go ahead and hit notification drawer. That way now, wherever I pull down, I'm at my toggles, I'm at my Wi-Fi, I'm at my Bluetooth, I'm at my notifications, I can clear them, whatever. I just like the certainty of knowing when I pull down, that's what I'm going to get on my device. Okay, battery-wise charging. Let's go over this, because by default, from what I saw, it's on all day. So here it is, Wise charging here at the bottom. If you search Wise in your settings search bar, you'll get it. Wise charging, you'll see 3 options: off, at night, and all day. By default, it seems like it was on all day, because I plugged it in. It was about 5 or 6 at night, and it froze me. I said, the 80-watt charger, hit me, show me what you got. Put it in, and it froze at 80%. Didn't go any higher. I was like, what is going on here? Then when I opened up the device, it said, hey, did you want to turn off Wise charging? And I went ahead and did that. That's important for a few different reasons, especially if you leave it on all day. If you're somebody who done with work, 5:36, you want to take advantage of the 80 watts, plug it in, top off for night out, whatever it happens to be, that needs to be off. So if you've been struggling with that, if you didn't know what was going on with that, that is something. Leave it on at night. It'll kind of learn your patterns and give you that trickle charge to help preserve battery life. That's fine. Or you can just turn it off and have it charge as fast as possible all the time. But if you have it on all day at first, it's going to learn when you need to use your phone and stuff, but it's not going to know right away. So it's just going to cap you at that 80% until you turn that off. So that's something that you definitely want to look at. Here's something that the Samsung devices do as well, and I just don't understand it. We're going to go back all the way out. You paid good money for this. You paid good money for the display. You want to use it at Quad HD. You want that 2K display. So you're going to go down here in display, in settings, screen resolution. It'll be defaulted at full HD plus. Go ahead and pump that up to Quad HD plus. That's what you came here for. That's why you got this over something like the S23 Plus, which was trying to insult you with that 1080p at $1,000. So go ahead and shove it in Samsung's face. Put that Quad HD on for your $699, your $599, and enjoy this absolutely beautiful panel. And along the same lines, this doesn't help a lot, but if you're big on YouTube, if you watch a lot of videos on YouTube, It'll only work for videos that have the HDR on YouTube and stuff like that, but it won't hurt you. Image sharpener and video color enhancer, those will be off by default. Go ahead and turn them on, because even though it's not as drastic as this, if you can see that on camera, when you do the video color enhancer, it does pop up and make the YouTube videos a little bit brighter. It's not a drastic increase. It's not anything that's going to change your life, but it is nice. And since they did up the saturation on your OnePlus panel this year to get it more like the Samsung panels of yesteryear with the higher saturation, take advantage of it. You know, you're watching videos, you're watching content, man, pump that saturation up. We don't come here for reality. If you're looking for reality on a display, go with the Pixel 7 Pro. You came here because you want the brightest colors possible and the nicest looking display. And I think this year, OnePlus takes that award. So go ahead and get the most out of it. Any other questions with quirks that come up? You get the gallery in your dock down here. There's certain things that are different about Oxygen OS 13. But overall, do a few things. It acts normally. It is snappy. The performance is good. Way better than Oxygen OS 12. So let me know your experiences down below. Different things that you may have done with your OnePlus 11 device that have helped you along the way. If you've made it this far, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Until next time, have that Steve-licious day.